What's up, guys? Want to show you guys the current upgrades. I got two GP stainless steel swivel hose reels. I got rid of my Simpson double wire, and I got the single wire 100-foot sections. I got two of those, so I got 200 feet on this one, which is great. Before I had only 150 foot. And here, still the same hose. That's my garden hose reel, and I got that one mounted. Back here, I had the soft wash system, the old system, which is right over here, but I am in the process of making a new setup. So that's going to go here. Definitely changes are getting made. Right now, I'm still using the 35-gallon bleach tank. I'm thinking of just putting the 65-gallon there for the bleach. However, this trailer is only rated up to like 2,000 pounds. No, not even. I think like 1,900. I'm not sure, but it's got, you know, these small tires on there. So I'm not trying to push my luck on this little trailer. It's definitely a good little residential trailer. I'm still rocking this Simpson. That's going to be the next upgrade. I actually have another hose reel and aluminum toolbox for my soft wash setup, but it's in the shop. Well, the shed. I haven't got to it yet. But up here, I finally broke down and got a ladder, 18-foot. It extends out or folds with the stabilizer on it. Definitely comes in handy. I was using a friend of mine's. In all honesty, I took him under the payroll, and I hired him to clean gutters for me, but I'm starting to do a lot more just by myself. As you guys can see, I have a fake knee, rods in my legs, so I don't like getting on ladders too much. So really, when I do have help, you know, there it is, there's the ladder. But I have a buddy that welded on my ladder rack. It's on there. It's great. Bolted in also. Just going to touch this up with some paint to prevent more rusting. I got my gutter hook, broom here, surface cleaner, and my little bleach stick to go into my 5-gallon tank. So this is it. Super simple. Definitely very happy with the I know that's going out tonight. But I'm definitely very happy with the setup. It's super simple. It gets the job done. Couldn't be more happier. So yeah. In reality, I think what I'm going to end up doing, like I said, I have another one of these reels for the soft wash system, but I think I'm going to use this one as my soft wash system and just put this little garden hose reel back in there, mainly because it's lighter. These things are pretty heavy. They're like 50 pounds each without the hose. So anyway, because it's lighter, less wear and tear on the trailer. I mean, it's a small trailer in all reality. So I think I'll end up doing that. Yeah, and just making this my batch tank, because in reality, I'm only using like 30 gallons when I do a roof and such. But yeah, that's what I got going on. I hope business is doing well for everyone, to be completely honest. And knock on wood, so I don't jinx myself, but it's kicking my ass. I am definitely ready for to hire someone to help me out, because if you guys are doing this by yourself like I am, between answering emails and phone calls and doing estimates and handling your books and advertising and everything, you just don't have much time for anything. So I made I made sure that weekends are definitely for the family, and I don't touch a phone or anything about the business on a weekend because I get so much of it during the week. I'm getting home about 8 o'clock at night some nights after dark. So I'm definitely putting in the work, growing my business. So yeah, just want to show you guys the trailer update. I'm super happy about it, super excited. I probably sound like a broken record, but anyway. Oh yeah, next, the Jeep. This is about to get paid off. I got approved for a truck loan for a work truck. So I owe like $4,000 left on this. In reality, I can pay it off tomorrow. I don't like putting all my eggs in one basket. So I like having money in the bank. I like saving. Anyway, so this is going to get paid off within the next few months. It's going to be a family vehicle. I am not going to wrap this like I was thinking about. So going to be a family vehicle. And then I'm going to upgrade to a truck. And the plan is to put everything in the truck bed on a truck skid. And this trailer will mainly just for I can't even talk, for a soft wash system. So yeah, kind of I don't know, could end up putting like an 8 gallon per minute on it too, or something like that. Turn it into I don't know, little commercial trailer. I don't know, possibilities are endless, right? Probably won't do that because it's a small ass trailer. But anyway, hope you guys are doing good. If you like this video, do me a favor, like the video. I'm trying to grow this channel. I know I don't post on here too much anymore, but yeah, trying to grow the channel. Leave in the comments what you guys think about the setup, and have a good night.